we have to discuss the device named as solenoid and toroid. This one is the device with the help of which one can produce the uniform magnetic field. Now, first of all, the solenoid. Solenoid, that is a wounded wire in the helical shape, that is called solenoid. But each and every turn, that is insulated with respect to each other. So when the current is passed through that particular wounded wire, which one is in the helical shape, so due to these insulated turns, the current that will flow in the helical form. When these wounds are very close to each other, then we can consider each turn almost as a circular loop. So magnetic field inside the solenoid along the axis, that will be uniform one, and if we consider a long solenoid, then inside it at any point one can consider the magnetic field, that is uniform one. Now see, this one is the cross section of the short solenoid, and see here the turns of the solenoid are represented here as per our sign convention. Say, if we consider the turn which one is coming out, then at that particular place we have to represent that particular turn by dot in the circle, which represent the outward direction. And if the turn is going inside, then we have to represent it by cross. So direction of the current, that will be also as per the direction of the wounded turns. Now all these are turns. See, now if the current is flowing through these turns, then the magnetic field produced by this current carrying turns, that will be as shown in the figure. But see here, the interesting thing, that is this one. Suppose we consider these two consecutive turns. Then see here, between these two turns, if we think about the magnetic field, then for this first turn, say the magnetic field, that is loop form, and here see this particular arrow. For this second one, see this particular arrow. So here between these two turns, you can observe this thing, the magnetic field, that is mutually opposite. So it will cancel the effect of each other. It will cancel the effect of each other. So here outside this, when solenoid is a short one, no doubt. Outside this one, the direction of the magnetic field for these consecutive turns, that is same one. So if we take the vector summation of all these, then resultant magnetic field, that will be in the loop form as shown in this figure. But if we consider the solenoid that is infinitely long, then in that particular case, outside this one, the magnetic field, that will be zero. Clear to all of you this particular thing? So here figure represents